We are almost at the end of the modest short display, although there is a huge scope for this Center of Archaeology to expand and develop, but they lack the space. Within the space, they have done quite well. So this is excellent idol of Sateri from 14th, 15th century, acquired from Usgaon Ponda. And this cult of Mother Goddess worship or the Goddess worship is very, very strong in entire West Coast Konkan. Up to Kanyakumari we see it, right from Vasai to Kanyakumari. And various depictions of this Earth Goddess, Mother Goddess, they have been carved out over centuries. And some of these have been salvaged. This is one of these. This is one of the finest Ganesha idol from 11th, 12th century. I am very happy because we have got a bigger idol of Vijayanagara period in Kadamba Vijayanagara period at Khandola, which is salvaged from Diwar Island. And this shows the ancient way, feature of carving out stone idols of Lord Ganesha, which are very few in Goa, in full intact form. So this Chaturbhuj four-handed Ganesh in Sukhasan pose with a Parshu is seen in upper right hand, and the upper left hand is mutilated. A broken tooth is seen in his lower right hand and a bowl of laddus in his lower left hand, which clearly shows people were very much familiar with sweets, and the tradition of laddus is very well represented in our culinary heritage from north to south. There is no state where laddus are not in demand. So I think the sculptor had very good knowledge of all these contemporary ideas and well briefed also. So this is a unique acquisition here which they have carefully preserved and displayed here for visitors and students. So basically this is what you know about the center. The Center of Archaeological Studies is an attempt to preserve and conserve the archaeological remains found scattered in Goa. Due to support and motivation provided by Sri Prasad Lolekar IS, the then Director of Higher Education, and idea was conceptualized by Dr. Palgaonkar in year 2022. Collection includes all salvaged artifacts found in the nooks and corners of Goa. They were recovered from water tanks, precincts of temples and other sites. They were handed over to the center by their stakeholders for preservation and display. The collection includes some of the rarest artifacts like the wooden chariot of Sangem, massive wooden lotus ceiling of Pangini, Indra sculpture of Bargaon, earliest Vishnu sculpture of Tuyem, and many more. So here is our Dr. Rohit Palgaonkar, whom I will now in separate video ask a few questions before we leave this center so that he is on my record.